Bible Pass app daily devotional. So here is the app. Is a thoughtfully designed app aimed at enriching your spiritual journey with scriptures that offer guidance and holy inspiration. Whether you seek daily inspiration, devotional reflections, or deep understanding of the scriptures, Bible Pass provides a serene and supportive environment for personal growth. So Bible chat, audio Bible, inspirational verses and prayers, personalized interactive Bible studies, faith building exercise and prayers. So here you have it. And start your day with God's Word, Bible widgets, holy moments, find answers with Bible, listen to the Bible. So here you can see in here, and then just open it up. And then you just select and this is the idea how it starts. Sunday free trial is enabled. So you have 7-day free trial and $7 per week or $40 lifetime. And then you also have a limited free version, which you can just read some daily verses. You can listen, but listen, you need to upgrade. Then you have history, then you have chat, then you have widgets. You can start today, you can start a Bible, explore. And that's what you have basically. So that's the app.